That sounds like some weird, straight up like feet just like running at us. Like almost not even human like. I don't know.
I'm about to use this bathroom after that, dude.
Tell me that the window's alright, just no drama.
I thought we never checked in here. We captured that one shadow figure in here one time.
Yeah, man.
I definitely feel drained. It feels like I have like no energy to even do anything here. It's like I just want to keep sitting down. Actually, I just want to get out of here. I feel like we have enough footage.
That dude. That dude. That dude.
What?
You didn't hear that, man?
What'd you hear?
You didn't hear that whisper, dude? Right in my ear, dude.
I didn't hear it.
It was just like
I heard a thump over there.
Yeah, what the